Hello friends. Welcome to Everyday English Conversations. Easy Q&A practice for beginners,
nơi bạn luyện nghe, luyện nói và suy nghĩ bằng tiếng Anh mỗi ngày. Hãy nghe kỹ câu hỏi, suy nghĩ một chút, rồi trả lời to lên nhé.
Let's begin. 1.1 Meeting and greeting. 1. What do you say when you meet someone? I say, hello. 2. What do you say when you leave? I say, goodbye. 3. How are you feeling today? I'm fine, thank you. 4. What do you say when you meet someone new? I say, nice to meet you. 5. What do you say in the morning? I say, good morning. 6. What do you say in the evening? I say, good evening. 7. What word do you use when you ask for something politely? I use, please. 8. What do you say when someone helps you? I say, thank you. 1.2 Personal information. 1. What is your name? My name is, your name. 2. How old are you? I am, your age, years old. 3. Where are you from? I am from, your country. 4. What is your address? My address is, your address. 5. What is your phone number? My phone number is, your phone number. 6. What is your job? I am at, your job. 7. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. 8. Do you have a big family? Yes, I have a small family. 1.3 School. 1. Where do you study? I study at a school. 2. Who teaches you in class? My teacher teaches me. 3. Are you a student at this school? Yes, I am a student. 4. Where do you have lessons? I have lessons in the classroom. 5. What do you read in school? I read books in school. 6. Where do you put your books in class? I put my books on my desk. 7. What do you use to write? I use a pen to write. 8. What do you do at school every day? I learn new things every day. 1.4a Classroom. 1. What does the teacher write on? The teacher writes on the board. 2. What do you sit on in class? I sit on a chair. 3. What is usually in front of the chair? A table is usually in front of the chair. 4. What do you look out of to see outside? I look out of the window. 5. How do you enter or leave the classroom? I use the door. 6. What tells us the time in the classroom? The clock tells us the time. 7. What do you use for online lessons? I use a computer. 8. What makes the classroom bright? The lights make it bright. 1.5 Studying. 1. What do you do to learn new things? I study. 2. What do you do after school to practice? I do my homework. 3. What do you do with a book? I read a book. 4. What do you do with a pen and paper? I write. 5. What do you do when the teacher speaks? I listen to the teacher. 6. Do you understand the lesson? Yes, I understand. 7. What should you do to improve your English? I should practice every day. 8. What is your goal at school? My goal is to learn a lot. 1.6 Succeeding in school. 1. What is your goal in school? My goal is success. 2. What do you want to achieve this semester? I want to achieve good grades. 3. What do you need to put in to do well? I need to put in a lot of effort. 4. What is your biggest goal for this year? My goal is to improve my English. 5. What should you do to pass the exam? I should study hard. 6. How can you improve your grades? I can improve by practicing more. 7. Is learning English a challenge for you? Yes, it is a fun challenge. 8. What do you get from your teacher to know how you're doing? I get feedback from my teacher. Great job today, you did amazing. Trophy. Remember, practice a little every day, and your English will grow stronger.
Đừng quên nhấn like, subscribe và chia sẻ video với bạn bè cùng học nhé.
See you next time. Bye bye.